Hello guys, do you know that how you can morph your voice when you are in your Zoom meetings or either in your class meetings or even in your Google Meet meetings? Do you have any kind of software or any option? If you have, then mention it in comment, okay?
But if you don't know, then you are at the right place, okay?
If you don't have any idea that how you can clone your voice, then I have a software. Its name is clownFish. But wait, do you remember that I have changed my voice?
If you remember that I have changed my voice 2 times, then you are right. You are seeing my videos. So let's see how you can morph your voice. Let's start the video. As usual, we have to download a software to change our voice, okay? So I have given the link for that software in my description, or and also you can download it from my Google Drives, okay? So when after downloading it, you can see that it has been like this, okay? Actually, this software is of a company named clownFish, but its main title name is voice changer, okay? So after downloading it, you can see it like this. So when you double click it, you just have to click yes, next, next, and next. I've already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it, install it again, okay? So after downloading it and extracting this file, you just have to move to your C drive like this, and program files, and then program files, and then go to we have to move to 86 folder, okay? So this is the clownfish folder. Then click it. We just have to move this application file to the desktop. Copy and then paste. After pasting this file, ignore this file, it's a shortcut file, okay? And also you can use this file too, but for showing you I'm using this file only, okay? So at the first, when you're after downloading and extracting this and copying this file to the desktop, you just have to double click this like this. As you can see that after double clicking on this icon, there is an icon get appeared on the taskbar of this tool, okay? So when you just click on it, a window open like this, okay? You just have to go to set voice changer and choose the voice which you want: male pitch, female pitch, helium pitch. Firstly I have used male pitch, then after that I have used helium pitch, okay? And also you can use baby pitch, radio pitch, robot, slow motion, etc. So after choosing, like I want to choose helium pitch, and then close, and then I have to go to this turn on option,
Then click on it. So as you can see that my voice has been changed, okay? Similarly, if I want to change my voice to hard or male pitch, then again go to this set voice changer and choose male.
And close. Now, as you can see that my voice has been changed. Similarly, you can move to any other voice whichever you want. Like I want to clone my voice like this.
hello mic check one. I can change my voice to baby pitch like this.
Hello, mic check 1 2 3 to radio pitch.
Hello mic check 1 2 3 to robot pitch. Hello mic check 1 2 3. And also I can customize my voice using this custom option, but I don't need it because I have too many options over here. So let's move to our simple voice.
Male pitch voice, because it's simply and easy to illustrate. Okay, so let's close this all, and also I can turn
It off, or either I can turn it
it on. Okay, so if you have a set of mics on your computer or laptop either, you have to go to setup or system integration. Okay, so as you can see that I have a set of microphones in my device. As you can see, I have a Urian mic, Vo mic, high definition audio devices, etc. You just have to click on them and you can easily access all of them. You just have to click on install and it will show the option. I have not connected to it, so that's why it's showing this option, but you can also use this another options. Okay, so let's close this for now. And also if you want to turn it off, you just have to click on this icon and
turn off. Now you can see that my voice has been changed to simple voice. Okay, and also this is my real voice. Mind it. And also if you're seeing this video wallpaper, I can show you that how I can also illustrate you all that how you can put this video wallpaper on your desktop as a wallpaper. Okay, that is for today, guys. Let's see you in the next video. And also wait, don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video.